Top 5 Natural Remedies for Acne that really make a difference. These 5 natural remedies for acne help reduce inflammation, clear blockages, and mop up excess oil. Don't waste time, do what actually works. Top 5 Natural Remedies for Acne. 1. Bentonite clay. What is it? An ancient remedy, used as a detoxifier for centuries for a number of different ailments. It's a light green, very fine powder, derived from volcanic ash. How does it work? Bentonite clay has a static cling, which is basically its ability to draw out certain impurities due to its electrical charge. This works kind of like a magnet and is what makes such a great detoxifier both internally and externally. It works particularly well as a natural remedy for acne because of its calming, soothing and cleansing effect on the skin. Use it. Bona fide skin care clearing clay mask, used 2 to 3 times weekly for best results. Can also be used as a spot treatment when needed, significantly reducing inflammation and the appearance of a blemish overnight. Due to the detoxing effect, remember it's pulling impurities from your skin. It can feel quite tingly. This is very normal, and once removed, skin feels refreshed. To make removal easier, massage water into the mask for several seconds before using a washcloth to re-wet it and loosen it up. 2. Turmeric. This bright orange spice powder has been used in India for centuries as a natural cure. Not only does it have antibacterial properties, but also a brightening effect, making it particularly good for fading acne scars. How does it work? Like an exfoliant, which is why it's ideal for brightening complexions and fading acne scars. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties give it inflammation-fighting powers at the same time. Use it. One of the best ways to use it is to mix 1 part turmeric to 2 parts natural yogurt and apply to skin as a mask. Wash off after 10 to 15 minutes with warm water and see how bright your skin it is. Yogurt is also a powerful natural exfoliant by itself, so added these 2 ingredients make an unbeatable acne-fighting, scar-fading mask. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is perhaps the easiest natural remedies for acne you can use. It's basically fermented apples. How does it work? Due to its pH of 4.25 to 5, it's slightly acidic and therefore excellent for rebalancing the pH of skin. Normal healthy skin has a pH of 5. If this gets out of balance, it will be more alkalized. Bacteria thrive in an alkaline environment, so correcting your skin's pH levels can have dramatic effects on the severity of your acne. Using apple cider vinegar after cleansing each day is one of the best natural remedies to rebalance the acidity level of your skin. Use it. Dilute 1 part ACV with 2 parts water and apply as a toner, using cotton pads after cleansing. Once it's absorbed into your skin, apply your normal moisturizer. You can use it twice a day for great results. 4. Coconut oil. This yummy-smelling natural remedy has antibacterial and antifungal properties that make it a perfect home remedy for acne. It's also an excellent natural lubricator, which is very important in controlling sebum production in skin. Use it. Replace your nightly moisturizer with a light layer of coconut oil. It's also a great massage medium and very beneficial to use after a light chemical peel to rehydrate, protect and rejuvenate your complexion. 5. Baking soda. One of the best natural remedies for acne. Baking soda is perhaps one of the easiest natural remedies for acne and pimples. It's good to try if you're looking for a quick treatment, but for the best benefits, use a bentonite clay or turmeric mask. It has antiseptic properties and a good exfoliating effect, refreshing and brightening your skin while helping to unclog pores. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.